Are you a company that makes stuff and now you're trying to sell that stuff? Look no further. Hello, my name is Ken Morran. You can call me either Kenny, Ken, or Mr. Morran. I prefer Kenny or Ken. Mr. Morran is my mother's ex-husband. Wank. And I am the Tri-State Metropolitan Area Salesman Extraordinaire. I would like to help you sell the stuff your company is trying to sell. A little bit of backstory on me. In high school, I was a legend. I used to throw huge parties in my parents' mansion. Or rather, it was a McMansion. One of those smaller ones that's still a mansion though. Anyway, back to me. In high school, I was a legend. I like to think that my legendary legacy lives on. I like to call it my legacy. It is this legacy that I like to think has made me the 5-star salesman I have become well into my 30s. Little Will, what the fuck is up? Everyone, it's my big brother, Little Will.
Fuck off, Kenny.
Hey, you do not accost me while the camera crews are here. I'm filming my commercial.
It's not a camera crew, it's Cousin Andy with a camcorder.
Hey, you do not want to play dicks out in this house.
I won't play dicks out, Kenny.
Speak out of turn again, and I will duct tape you to the kitchen wall like we used to do as kids. You remember that? Hey! Anyway, back to me. I can sell just about anything. Tissues, vitamin water, lamps, etc. Don't believe me? Here are some testimonials.
He's a good seller. I would know. I'm his cousin. And I'm his cousin on the Italian side. So you know I'm good for my way.
Get the fuck out of my room, Kenny! Kenny would be a good salesman.
Anyway, there you have it. Hire me, Kenny Morran, Tri-State Metropolitan Area Salesman Extraordinaire, to be your
salesman.
Your salesman. I told you, you do not want to play dicks out in this house.
I never said I wanted to play dicks out!